massive V8 strapped on the back.
Not going on that.
It's around 550 brake.
Wow. You got to see an eagle.
That's great. Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to Boggy Creek Airboat Tours.
I'm glad you said that's a bit of a mouthful.
It is.
Right, yeah, just a quick intro. We are heading out today on an airboat, which you've never done.
No.
So you've got a big V8 rumbling behind you.
Yes, it started up as you can hear.
Yeah, we're a bit late, so we better get down there.
Yeah, let's get stuck in. Straight pipe then.
Yeah,
sounds like it, yeah.
If we look at it when we get off, have a look at it.
Yeah, we'll try and get some specs on the engine now, but it looks like a straight pipe V8. And you know it's going to be loud when they insist on wearing
yeah, my
ear
father
defenders.
didn't wear them last time.
No, he's a trooper.
Yeah.
Fortunately, we picked the right day for it because the sun's finally starting to come out. Okay, yeah.
Feel free to stand up when we stop. Just a little guy. He's about 2 feet long, so they grow around a foot a year, up to 6. That one there, 2 feet long, is about 2 years old. So they start out only about 6 inches long, there, real small, 6, 8 inches. only eat about once a month in the wild, so don't eat very often at all.
Where?
Right there next to you. They can go a whole year without eating anything. It's kind of wild. I can't hardly make a couple of
Ah, well done. Kenny the gator spotter.
about 7.5, maybe 8 feet long. The easiest way to tell the size of them from the tip of their nose to their eyes, the inches between their vertebrae. There's almost 8 inches.
More American than that. Yeah, you got a fish in his talons.
There's nothing for me to subscribe and help you out, right?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
There we are, there's the man. Thank you very much.
Yes,
Thank you. Cheers.
Ah, what a legend. I don't know why, every American we've met has been awesome. Right, so after that very sort of rushed intro, the reason it was rushed, they were literally starting the boat, so we wanted to jump on the one, well, yeah, so we got straight onto it. So, an airboat, as you can probably guess, is basically a little boat with a massive V8 strapped on the back. And the beauty of it is you go through swamps, because they're basically propelled above the water, they don't get tangled in anything, so they literally...
Well, you can feel it when they start accelerating. It actually lifts out of the water and it skims across the top.
Yeah.
And then when he slows it down, you can feel it actually sink back down into the water.
Yeah,
So
it's crazy.
it's so awesome.
And massive hats off to Tanner. Just give, obviously being the car nerds we are, I had to ask him about the specs on the engine.
Yeah.
So we said it's an 802 GM motor, 8.2 V8. He said it's around 550 brake, and I did have a quick look. It looks straight pipes.
It does, yeah. That's why it's so loud.
which is an impressive feat for, you know, for that. Oh man, for that, the whole experience. Like I said, there's only so much you can get from the video.
Yeah,
but that was amazing.
They also do more than just the airboat stuff. There's stuff in here now. We'll give you a little
Yeah,
walk
let's have a quick walk around.
Check it out. It's a pretty big butterfly.
Yeah, going old David Attenborough now. Right, so we're in the critters section, which obviously there's beautiful things like this. And again, on camera, you just think, oh, it's a butterfly. You see them, first thing you said was, look at the size of that.
Huge.
Huge. Gotta say, what a chill area, what a chill place this is. Feel really relaxed. Oh, except when you walk into stuff.
Yeah, I think he likes to taste the butterflies. Hey, look at mate.
You're on the wrong side of the fence.
You got them as well.
Yeah. Big bugs.
Whoa, so nice.
Hey, like you. Oh, hello.
He's trying to get you that.
Oh, yeah.
We'll land on the floor. Meh.
Come on.
Oh, that's class.
Wow.
I hope his fan must bite your ass. So,
Call me Ace Ventura.
yeah, pet. Yeah. So, he's cool. That's mad he landed on you.
Yeah. So we got a big bug there. That is huge.
Move.
Do something.
Do something. Jump. Bite. Bite.
And we got a lizard there.
Sorry, that one's on the outside, so I'm touching it. Yeah, you're not supposed to touch him on the lizard.
Oh yeah,
We are
that's
on the
true. Yeah, he's wild. It's fine.
Yeah.
So they do Boggy Creek mining, but
Yeah.
we're not miners.
No, we're not. I think you buy the stuff and you can have a little go with yourself. You buy the stone and then you search for your own gold.
Cool. That's cool. So they actually do archery as well. It says 8 arrows for $5, and they actually teach you for free, which I would definitely need.
Yeah.
Perfect. So here's a better look at the V8 we were on about. This one looks a bit older.
So sure, some of the parts are still salvageable.
Yes. Yeah.
The propeller,
It's just mad thinking. Yeah. So there's your V8. Obviously, you know, up and down pipe on this one.
So all they've done essentially then is strap a propeller to the crank.
Yeah. Instead of having a gearbox, yeah, it's literally attached to a propeller that's not here, but obviously the big propeller that goes there. So you must have like zero drivetrain loss. It's literally got 550 brake going to that propeller. And I was saying to Kenny, it's impressive that these things go all day at a constant sort of, I don't know, 4,500 RPM.
Yeah, they don't rev very high, do they? So.
No, but it's just at a constant. That is crazy. And there's your driving seat up there. I wonder if this is what he meant. Now, Tanner, our tour guide, he did say they do private boat tours. I wonder if it is one like
Not
that.
going on that.
Yeah, there's a few bits missing of that, but I bet that's what it is.
Yeah.
Mad. So you've got all this amazing alligator stuff, and I found the MX-5. Got there before you did.
Yeah.
Again, Kenny was in awe over the gator sauces.
I got the rubs and stuff. What?
What?
Amazing, man. We had a bigger bag and take them home.
Yeah. That was Boggy Creek airboat tours.
That was awesome.
Yeah, do you know, for a few hours out, I mean, the boat tour was what, $36 I think it was?
37.
$37.
Yeah.
An amazing tour. The tour guide, like I said, Tanner, just very knowledgeable, very just,
Yeah,
I don't know,
awesome.
very informative.
Yeah.
So-
and we got to see an eagle with a fish in its talons, a bald
A bald
eagle.
eagle. How American can you get?
Class.
So it's one of those places for the whole family, but even for, I mean, grown men, I guess. It was just a good
was
couple of
brilliant.
hours out. We cannot recommend it enough.
Yeah, now they do hours, they do an hour tour, an hour and a half tour, they do a half an hour tour, which is what we've done today, but they also
Yep.
do private tours. So we're going to look into that next time.
Yeah, we're very tempted by that.
Yeah, definitely.
So, and as I said, we told them we got a YouTube channel, so they said it might be better to do a private one.
Yeah,
So stay
exactly.
tuned for that one. But we are about to head down to Titan, so stay tuned for
Yeah.
that as well. But for now, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Boom.